ASMR to the ASMR. New Russian word. Okay, learn with me in English. Translate. Okay, good. First of all, like, follow, like, subscribe. Okay, and comment. First, STVE, meaning in English, calmness, peace. Second, nost, in English, tenderness, gentleness. Okay, Luna, in English, moon. Mayaki, in English, soft. Okay, Sledki, in English, sweet. Okay, sun, in English, dream. Okay, Shayopod, in English, whisper. Otra, in English, morning. Вечер, evening. Любовь, love. Okay. Доброе утро, in English, good morning. Доброе утро, okay. Спи спокойно, sleep easily, okay, in English. Спи спокойно, sleep easily. Ты прекрасен, in English, you are beautiful. To women, okay, just for men. Ты прекрасна, in English, you are beautiful. To a woman, okay, just for a woman. Ты прекрасен, used for men. Ты прекрасна, used for women, okay. Я рядом, in English, I am here, close to you. Тихо, in English, quit. Восток, in English, air. Ticina, in English, silence. Siani, in English, glorious. Sevesta, in English, star. Oblaka, in English, cloud. Vitok, inhaling in English, okay. Vitok. Inhale, okay. Exhale. Melodia, in English, melody. Same word, okay. Melodia, okay. Dosha, in English, soul, okay. Shajasti, in English, happiness. Neighbor, in English, sky. Mori, English, sea, okay. Diplo, warming in English. Olyapka, in English, smile. Obyatiye, in English, hug. Viremia, in English, time. Vivensnost, in English, eternity. Save it, in English, light. Grosse, okay. GRYO, GROZY, okay. In English, daydream, okay. Laska, in English, careness, okay. Affection, okay. This is Baguena, English, breathe calmly, okay. TV pizza, Basnati, in English, you are safe. Timo is sweet, in English, you are my light. Makai Prikasnavini, in English, gently touch. Pacho esto vecino,